Hey there, fellow travelers. I'm Jennifer Olson, and today we are about to embark on a journey into the heart of Alaska. Welcome to Love Your Adventure, where we are diving deep into Alaska's cruise excursions that offer incredible wildlife encounters that you are going to treasure and remember forever. Alaska is a paradise for nature enthusiasts, boasting untouched landscapes and a diverse range of wildlife. In this segment, we are going to explore why Alaska is a dream destination for wildlife lovers and what makes it truly unique. Get ready to be mesmerized as we dive into the world of whale watching. I'll introduce you to some of the best spots that you can witness these magnificent giants of the sea and share tips on capturing the perfect whale breach on camera. Alaska is also home to some of North America's most iconic wildlife, including grizzly bears. Imagine being on a bear safari. Maybe you'll see a moose. We can discuss some of the best practices for responsible wildlife viewing while keeping you safe. If you're a bird watching enthusiast or fascinated by marine life, Alaska has something for you too. In Alaska, you'll be able to explore the world of bald eagles, puffins, sea lions, and orcas, as well as discover the top spots to see each of these incredible creatures. Alaska's wildlife is waiting to be discovered by you. Embrace the adventure, respect the environment, and let the magic of these encounters fill your heart with wonder and gratitude. Thank you for joining me on this wild Alaskan journey today. If you found this video inspiring, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel today. Share your own wildlife encounter stories or ask any question that you might have in the comments below. I'm here to chat. Until next time, keep loving your adventure because the untamed beauty of Alaska is just a cruise away. Take care.